Hi everyone, in this video I will tell you how to save Google Calendar to PDF with data of any number of years. Just open your web browser and go into your Gmail. Once the Gmail is open, just go into Calendar. When the calendar is completely open, all the options are appeared. You can see all the options are appeared here. You just need to click this gear. Click this and click on print. When you click on print, select your desired year. Let's see, I will select 2023 to 2024 till 14 August. As you can see here, I have selected August 25 to 2023 to 31st August 2024, 1 year of my calendar. You can choose all the options here. Then select on print. I am using Pages. Click here on PDF, this option. As you can see, here is the option save as PDF. You can landscape or portrait, whatever you want, select here and click this option and save as PDF and give him the desired destination wherever you want to save this. As you can see, I make this folder PDF test purpose calendar and click save, and here is my calendar is saved. You can cancel this and we can see here, this is the folder. You can see all of my 1 year calendar is saved. By doing this, you can save every year or 10 years of your calendar. Thank you, hope this will help you.